2, go.
Hi, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Axel.
Our title is What Goes Up Must Go Down.
And we're in 5th grade. And we are doing a project. So the problem is, what makes the best cushion for a falling egg?
Our hypothesis is the bag with water in it will be a better cushion for the egg.
The materials will be 2 sandwich bags, large, 1 garbage bag, pitcher half full with water, a camera, and 2 scientists.
Okay, keep going.
Our procedure is, number 1, spread the garbage bag on the floor. Fill plastic bag with water. Place an egg in the bag with the water. Place another egg in the empty bag. Drop both bags on your garbage bag. Record your answers.
All 6 steps. Manipulated variable is the egg's shape will change.
Our responding variable is that 1 egg will break.
The controlled variable is the amount of water we put in the bag. Okay, and
we don't need it.
So this is it.
So let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
dang, both of them dropped.
No. Dang it.
I didn't think we put enough water in it.
I don't think we put enough in it.
Alright. It's not that much, but
so both of the eggs broke.
So
our hypothesis was that the egg in the water bag wouldn't break, and we were wrong.
Our conclusion was wrong.
Yeah, the conclusion is that both of them would break.
Okay.
Maybe you need more.